Okay, so this presentation is going to go over the hardware and software of a wireless network. So first we're going to go over the hardware. The modem is a device which allows you to connect to the internet. A wireless router provides a wireless access point, and it allows for wireless data to be transferred between a device and a network. So this router normally uses has some LAN jacks and other wired devices. A wireless network adapter, also known as a wireless NIC, which stands for Wireless Network Interface Controller or Wireless Network Interface Card, is required for each device on a wireless network. A device, you would obviously need a device to be able to connect to a wireless network. The next are wireless antennas. So these provide access. These provide access points, and routers frequently utilize Wi-Fi antennas that they massively increase the effective communication area of a wireless network. Antennas can either be fixed, optional, or removable. A repeater connects to a router or an access point and increases the area of the signal itself. And Ethernet can either be used through, Ethernet can be used to connect a wireless access point. Ethernet can be connected to a wireless access point or a wireless repeater, and it uses Ethernet to carry the signal over to the wireless repeater or wireless access point. And an Ethernet can also be used over a power line, and it uses the power line to carry the signal to the wireless repeater or wireless access point. And so the software needed would be a Dhcp Router, DHCP, which stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it's a network protocol that allows a server to automatically assign an IP address to a client device. It's quite efficient and convenient, as it lets the router automatically assign IP addresses to different devices, and this device operates on a client-server model, which is quite widely used in networks. The software firewall acts as a security system that determines and it monitors what data comes in to the network, and what data comes into the PC or network and leaves PC or network. The SSID, or service identification, is a set of 32 alphanumeric characters and is used to differentiate one WLAN from another, and all of these, the letters within this identification are all case sensitive. NSA drivers typically act as a translator between the wireless card and the applications or operating system of the device. Obviously, you will need an operating system which handles resource management and is responsible for managing all protocols, hardware, and applications that cooperate with the network. Software security can include software such as anti-spyware, firewall, anti-subversion software, anti-tamper software, antivirus software, and basically keeps the network safe from any potential harm. Then there's the wireless application protocol, which is a set of protocols for accessing information over a mobile wireless network. And it allows users to access the internet, exchange emails, and use web browsers. It's used in radio transceivers and cellular phones, cell phones as well. And most devices in Europe and the US don't need the wireless application protocol, as it's disappeared. And the final part would be a web browser, which is an application software that is used to retrieve and display content on the World Wide Web, including things such as web pages, text, images, audio, and videos, and other content. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Well done.